नमस्कार
Honorable Chair, Honorable fellow ministers, His Excellency Director General, Distinguished Regional Director, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to congratulate Regional Director and her team for all the hard work they did during these difficult times. Nepal has regularly received technical guidance and necessary support during this period, which is commendable. Honorable Chair, in 2019, Nepal achieved hepatitis B control target along with 3 other member states of the region. Likewise, Nepal conducted TB prevalence survey, which provided the updated and critical information to shape our TB strategies and plans. Based on this survey, the government of Nepal is developing new strategic plan for the tuberculosis program. Moreover, activities to strengthen emergency preparedness paid off to better respond COVID-19 pandemic. Besides, we have maintained other public health targets which were achieved in the past, including polio eradication, rubella control, and trachoma control. These are few examples among many more which we achieved in collaboration with WHO. Despite the fact that we have been significantly strengthening the capacity for testing, isolation, contact tracing, and supplies, the growing number of infected people require more actions and resources to control the spread of disease, particularly in highly populated major cities. Many lessons learned from earthquake and subsequent other small-scale emergencies have enabled us to better strengthen our core capacities for preparedness and response of public health emergencies, which includes the establishment of health emergency operation centers, formation of emergency medical deployment teams, expansion of hub hospital networks. Although this pandemic is different from other emergencies, but these basic arrangements have helped us to build on existing mechanisms faster and execute quickly. Although health services were disrupted to some extent, Nepal has made many efforts to continue essential health services and prioritized public health programs. From the very beginning of lockdown, we ensured all the health facilities remained open to deliver public health services. However, limited movement during the lockdown might have restricted easy access, as evident in different assessments and monitoring from regular reporting. Despite of many barriers and obstacles, Nepal was able to conduct a nationwide measles and rubella campaign and oral polio vaccine in selected 19 districts, which demonstrates commitments of all levels of governments, health workers, and stakeholders. I would like to express my sincere thanks to WHO, UNICEF and Gavi for their generous support in this process. As this region plays vital role in supplying vaccine and other generic drugs, we look forward to seeing the member states and health communities scale up efforts to bring solutions for vaccine and other technologies as well, so that this pandemic could be curbed quickly.
पहिले आउन सकोस्। आउनुस् हामी
Let us continue our regional solidarity and take it to the new heights so that we could set an excellent example for the world while battling this pandemic.
यो क्षेत्र
As this region is quite rich in the Ayurveda and other alternate form of medicines, we need to explore potential options and avenues to work together for this disease. In this area, proper research and documentation would be beneficial, where this region can play vital role. Honorable Chair, the annual report presented by the Regional Director highlights many successes and challenges in the region. On behalf of the Nepali delegation and on my own, I would like to express our sincere thanks to Regional Office for all the hard work for preparing this report. The Nepali delegation endorses this annual report, and we look forward to working together with Regional Director and her team to address specific challenges outlined in this report. Thank you very much. Namaste.